Welcome back, everyone. In this episode, we're gonna make some small changes to the calculation. Well, not to the calculation, but where it's happening. In the last episode, we successfully implemented the calc centroid method. And in this one, I'm gonna move that out of the polygon class. Well, not exactly. The only place where this method is called is in the polygon class, but I'm gonna create a method called setCentroid in the shape class. There we go. And this method will be called in the circle class, in the polygon class, obviously with the centroid, and in the rectangle class. So that every shape has its centroid, and we can set that centroid. For example, in the circle, since we don't need to call that calc centroid method, we just can set the position as our centroid. And yeah, that's it basically. So just add a new method in the shape.js file, and I'm gonna call it setCentroid with a position, and then this dot centroid is the position. There we go. And then I'm gonna add in the draw method a drawUtils.draw point, and here I'm gonna draw the centroid. Okay, that's everything for the shape class. So let's use that method first in the circle class. In the circle class, it's really easy. You just call here in this line the setCentroid, and we're setting that to position. That's for the circle. Then to the polygon class, we are creating or we are calculating the centroid using our method we did in the last episode. So just pass in here the vertices, then we have the centroid, and then we can call this dot setCentroid. And there we go. And then, well, that's it basically. Of course, we could call this method into the in the rectangle class too, and we are not needing to calculate a centroid in this complicated manner in the rectangle class, because we can just use the position, because this is gonna be our centroid. But since this is working for that too, it's just an optimization for the initializing phase. So I'm just gonna leave it like it is. But of course you can change that behavior if you want to. Okay. Yeah, that's everything, I guess. Just check again. And I think we can run that now, and we should see our centroids in every shape. So then let's go to our browser. That was from the last episode, the centroids and the drawing. And when I refresh now, okay, we see our centroid of the circle, and we're gonna see our red one still. And that's because I think, where did we draw that? Right, yeah, I found it. Oops. We draw the centroid here. We don't need that. Just move that, and then go back to our browser, refresh, and there we go. There are our centroids. All right. Thank you for this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.